Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to talk about the Jordan 1 UNC Toes. Aww. Man, when I first saw pictures of this, when Jordan dropped their upcoming lineup, I fell in love instantly, man. It's just something about that UNC Tar Heel colorway that I love, man. I mean, y'all remember these, of course, right? Like, man, I know the Chicago's are like the Jordan 1 off-whites that we run to, but these ain't get enough love, man. But either way, I'm happy to have secured the Jordan 1 UNC Toes. I actually tripled up. I won a bunch of raffles. So when they dropped Saturday, I was like, I think these sneakers are going to restock. I'm still mad that the taxis weren't like more exclusive. Like those restocked for 5 weeks straight, guys. So I'm not going to tell y'all really what I feel about these. I do think we will get a 1 or 2 restocks of these. That's why if you look at GOAT now, prices are like $230, $220. Retail is $195 for the Jordan 1s in New York. So I want to tell you to grab them now because it's such a dope sneaker. But I feel like it's a restock coming. But you know, if you want it, you get it. Hit the B-roll. Man, yo, that Jordan 1 UNC colorway is crazy. Yeah, so we're going to get into a 4K in-depth review of these, man. I remember buying the Jordan 3 UNCs like 2-3 years ago, and I let them go too fast because they didn't have Nike Air on the booty. Like I told you, I tripled up on these. I'm definitely keeping one to rock, one to stock. This is a beautiful sneaker, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that nice, beautiful UNC box mixed with the black for the Nike logo and stuff. I know a lot of y'all are new to this channel, but some of y'all been rocking me for a while, and I appreciate it. I know y'all remember 3 years ago when I used to beg Jordan to change the box of the Jordan 1s to the color of the Jordan 1s. And he's been doing that. But now I feel like it's a gift and a curse because whenever they change the color of the box to the color of the sneaker, that sneaker sits. Taxis, Lannies, a woman UNC to Chicago, they always sit. I feel a little different with these. But yeah, you get the nice blue box, regular Jordan 1 box, but the colors has changed. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, University Blue, black and white, and in Spanish that correlates to Carolina, which makes sense because it's the Carolina Tar Heels. Flip open the lid and I show you guys this. I always try to do the most, man. Help y'all stay away from fakes. There go your quality control stamp there. 98% of the time you get a quality control stamp in the Jordan 1 box right there by the swoosh, but sometimes the sneaker comes from overseas and you don't get that stamp. So double check if you don't get that stamp, but it doesn't mean that it's fake. Jordan 1 tissue paper looks a little different, feels a little thicker. And let's start with the left shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 UNC toe. Man, I remember I reviewed the red toe or the bread toe years ago, and I got that feeling right now. Same feeling. I'm going to tell you off the bat, the leather is great, man. But so was the taxi. So, again, I don't want to go too far, man. So let's start right here in the white sandwich. Got a nice black swoosh leather. Little bit of tumbleness, guys. Not shattered backboard, but definitely a little bit of tumbleness. You get that high OG cut right there, as you can see. But let's go to the toe box. Look, you even got the crackleness and the tumbleness. This is good leather, guys. Good leather. Does have bounce back. That blue is so sexy, man. Around that blue, you get your patented black leather. It does look a little premium. It does look like if you leave it in the box for a couple of months, you will get that glitter. I've been meaning to drop a video about the glitter on the Jordan 1s, but we'll get to it. But yeah, you can see how that leather shines, guys, all the way through to the inside. A little bit more tumbleness than the outside. But I just want to look at the UNC leather. You got tumbleness all through it, guys. All through it, up there, all the way around. Your Jordan 1 wing is in that regular black. That's usually the go-to color. It does change, but that's usually the go-to color. On top of that Tar Heel blue. Sock liner leather plushie also. Man, this sneaker's put together, guys. Your tongue is in that black mesh. UNC Nike Air colors at the top. I like this sneaker, man. Get to the bottom, all blue Tar Heel bottom. Clean, man. If you've seen one Jordan 1, one Dunk, one Nike SB Dunk, you usually get this bottom. Sometimes they play with the colors, but I like that they just kept it all blue. Something to note here, you do not get a shoe tree. You get regular tissue paper, no shoe tree. But inside, you got a black with the Nike Air logo and that UNC colorway. No shoe tree, guys. That was the left shoe. This is the right shoe. Tumbleness has not changed. But inside, you do get that move to zero box. They got away with the sandwich bags. They were bad for the environment. Well, maybe not bad, but these are better for the environment. And then you get that nice blue lace swap that you can do with the sneaker. Me, honestly, I do feel like it's a lot of black, so I feel like the blue could pop. But I like to keep it OG, and I probably would keep the black shoestrings in. Let me know in the comment section below which one y'all going with. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, GOAT and StockX, you can score these for about $230. But I do feel like a restock is coming. It won't be from the Nike Sneakers app right away, but I think like Dick's Sporting Goods, DTRL, someone's going to sneak attack. I haven't been in a mall to see if they're sitting in stores, but I know the GS, the PS, the kid sizes, you can still go get the smaller sizes, but the men's size, woman, we out of luck right now. But again, $230 compared to $195 is a steal where I'm from. You're still under that $50 resale range. I say go for them, man. These are nice, man. These are nicer, but R.I.P. Virgil. Man, I haven't said that in a couple of videos. I've been slacking. R.I.P. Virgil. These were just different, man. But these are culture, they history. Come on, man. Jordan college team. Like, fire, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.